Stream.
Sweet. Sweet. I'm putting on the swing.
Right, but I'm watching Sebastian League, so I'll be different.
Yeah.
But ping me if you need me.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. Working still on the dynamic. I think you could probably make a better approach. Or not better, actually a worse approach, but a easier one. That's what we could do. It would be horrendous, but it would be easier. Yeah. I think we'll go with it. This is redundant, I think. Nah, that wouldn't make it in. Wait, let me see. Okay. So let's see. I will rethink this now. So I will do so that check will, instead of doing this, we can steal the idea from the asset manager actually. So when you initialize, we want to do this thing, found path. I think I will just yank that. We'll put it in with this thing and we'll redefine this thing. Instead of using file descriptors, we'll start doing this. I think it's better because okay, let me see. Is it better? I think it will be better. And then listen. I think, is it dumb that I have like a watcher and then a file? Why not just initialize the same thing in both cases? I think we can also get rid of this. Won't be needing that. The lookup will be necessary. But won't need that anymore. Let's see. The init. This will become the actual thing that we want to do work with. We will probably just get rid of this whole thing because I think this one is just redundant to even have. let's see. Oh my god, that's not what I pressed. I want it just like so. Let's just do this. Like that. And I will say once. And we can paste this information down here. And we can actually move, I think we'll move this part away down to the bottom. We might get back to take a little bit from it, but I think this will be better. So we will have an init that will now get in the... Okay. I cannot store this any longer. This is great, but we can't store that. So we'll change it slightly to just be library. Oops. I got your joke. Okay. The fuck? This will be the actual library name. And these will be the search paths. Yeah, that's fine. And then lib path. You will provide still the library that you would like to try to access. That's it. Is there anything else I would like to be concerned about? I don't think there is anything. We will not even... I think this will not even be needing. Hello, penguin operator. Let's see, lib path buffer, lib len buffer. Lib path is equal for each of the, or for these path lib, sig lib, and then path prefix. Yeah, so we get the listing. Yeah, buffer is undefined. This is max path bytes. Path is equal to, we propagate the buffer width, and then the lib name. And then if access, well, this is the thing. I cannot, I don't know, why would I? Cannot do that. Because we will not have, the name will not be this. So I think, we'll just do this as well, because we will not store the actual library path. We will not even open it here. This is just to, if you want to, wait, hold on, let me check. Watch your system init, yeah, and then watch your, then check, yeah, here, because we haven't loaded it, so that the check will trigger the thing. So here you just initialize it with, this will not yet load anything now. Yeah, that is better, I think. So we'll change it to be like that instead. You could still debug what's the search paths. Okay, so it just, okay, this was the point of this, but I think we can reuse it elsewhere. So this is just the lib name debug. We'll probably not even use that thing. Lib path len. So this will also go, and this will also go. We will not even store the dynamic library. We'll just store the lib name. We probably would like to store the different places where this thing can be found. That would make sense. think. Yeah, we would like to create the directory kind of and store that, yeah. Well, that I think where we could use this thing. Yeah, we'll change it to be like this. Oops, wrong way. Like so. Except for this will actually be the thing. Why can I not just get... like so. Search paths. Yes. We'll go through each and every one of these, see if we can find the search path. Yes, and if it finds the path, then we will store the directory. How does this even... okay, interesting, yeah, okay. Then we'll have the directory, we can assign it to directory. We could also store allocator, but I don't think we should. Time will change to be equal to 0. I think that's better. Yeah. And then what we can do... funny that I got this, but I don't even store. But yeah, we will store the directory, because then we can just monitor the directory instead, I think. STD, not that. I'm gonna call it dir std io directory, so we can get that. I don't think we need the allocator io, but we will have to store the d time, because when it was last accessed, basically, it's what I'm trying to get here. Time d time? What did I say? std io time. What's the time? Where is that time coming from? It's io timestamp. We'll yank that. Go back to there. And then we have these things, yes. That's pretty much all that we need, almost all that we need. We also need to store the lib name. If you don't store the lib name, this can be stored like this, because you will know during compile time what it is, so it will be fine. Lib name, it will be a U8 array const U8s. And that we can also store now in here. That lib name is equal to lib name. And with this, we will not be needing to do this anymore. Nope. Well, I will still just, because if it's something I do horrendously wrong, I will store it like that still. Timestamp. Zero. And then we'll have the dunit, the check, and the reload. Now, I think we could have them separately, but I guess a reload would be just calling reload every time, or should I just do a check? first to see if the directory has been updated, and then we do a reload. No, I think you reload directly. Reload would do... Because... Let's see. If I do a reload... Yeah, otherwise it would be kind of weird. I think I will put the reload having both the check and the reload in it, so we will just only reload. If it's wrong, then I'll add another function back in, but for now this will do. So what we'll do is get inspired again from here, where I got the update. Let's see. Or should I remove the thing? It's okay. We'll still do it in here. So we can do a window split, put it on the side over there, and then this one can go back to over here. We'll need IO. We'll take IO in as a parameter over here. So that's fine. And so for each item, actually we will just have to see self.directory. Is there mtime already? No. How can I get stat file? Stat. No, just stat. Like this. Dot. Does it return? Const. What should I call this? Dir stat. Dit. Does it need a try? It's crazy. No. Let's go. Dir stat. Dot mtime. Yes, we got it. So then what we can do is check.
Yo.
Yeah, what's up?
What's up? Anyways, I wanna tell a little story here. So there's been this insect in my room for the last like year, right? It's like a really small one. I just let bro be. Like sometimes he walks on my wall and then I just blow him away. You know, just trolling him, right?
Yeah.
But today he landed, well actually like 5 minutes ago, he landed on my desk upside down.
Okay.
And I'm pretty sure bro died, so I just put him in some paper. So he's dead now, but I'm wondering like, what has bro been eating the last year? My room is, there's nothing here to eat.
Are you sure? Do you eat in your room?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he eats your leftovers.
Bro, the only thing I eat is like bread.
Yeah, bread.
He will eat like stale breadcrumbs.
That's why he died.
Yeah, right. Alright, bro.
Alright. If it's larger, no, hold on. It's the other way. Wait, what do I want to do? If this one is large, yeah. So if it's smaller or equal.
If it's the same.
Yeah, but if, well, smaller also. Not that it will ever be smaller. But if it's the same, then it doesn't matter.
Continue?
Yeah.
The 5?
That means I will not continue doing anything in here. I'm done. But if it is not, then that means there's time for a hot reload. You see?
You know, continue only works in loops.
Right, I meant return. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, it's continuing. On what?
Just continue, man. Just continue.
Does he retry the function or what?
Just... I don't know if I need a return. Yeah, no, I do need to do this. Yeah. Okay. And now, if we can do that, now I would like to get each element inside of this directory and check which one is the latest. I can do that, right? Let's see. Self.dir. What do we have here? Create file, delete files, hard, iterate. I assume this is iterator init one of these things. Well, we will make it simple enough, right? We'll go in here.
Why do you want to iterate?
Because I'm gonna check all of because we create, multiple with
Oh
timestamp. Yeah.
hell, now you're doing that.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah, I'm
hell.
doing that. I'm going for it. I think it's a funny approach. I will do
I
it.
think it's like really dumb, but I guess it's use dumb solutions for dumb cash. That's yeah.
But I was thinking also I could probably do a copy, but then again, the way I do it, then I would have to figure out when do I do this copy? When can I guarantee that it's done compiling? Because I don't want to do a copy on an incomplete compile. Because the file will tell it's updated, but it's not done compiling yet. That I cannot guarantee.
I
So,
mean, couldn't you just make like a file in like your temp directory, right? And then that like points to the latest like the executable or whatever, right? And then in the program it just reads this file over and over, and checks like has that been updated, and then it will select the directory that is the new file path, right?
it was up to just making hot reloading more efficient right now. That's what we're working on. I guess. Wait, what do you mean? Like storing in the temp? When I compile, I would store
Like
it in the temp, or what
yeah,
do you mean?
when you compile, it would
Yeah.
like store like this is the outputted thing. It could just be out of random characters or whatever.
I'm not really following.
Well, it's
What?
like when you compile, let's say,
Hmm.
every time we compile, the output is a random thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it could be like it's bunch of characters, right? And then we write that the latest file
Mm-hmm.
that we made. We write that into a file, right, in the temp, so we can read that in the program,
Mm-hmm.
and then see like, oh, it's been updated. So we'll load a new directory, which is a new like path, completely new name, whatever.
Well, isn't that just same thing as doing cache? The way thing I'm doing right now.
No, not really.
Because if you do a new random name every time, what do you do with the old file?
We just clear the directory.
Yeah, but then that's the same. You could just add that to this thing I'm doing right now. You would have the same thing. Just yeah.
I guess, but that's also like a solution to this problem that you're having. We can just destroy everything inside of the Zig out when we compile before we output. They don't need to like clear it or whatever.
Yeah, no. Well, I don't. How does it work if you open a DLL or SO file and then you delete it while your program is running?
It's in RAM, so
Yeah.
it's fine.
But then again, I still have to do a new name. I cannot use the old name because if I use the same
Yeah, that's
name,
fine.
then it will make assumptions that it's the same thing, and then it will not work.
Well, about that, because the thing we're outputting is the name, right, and then also time. Can't we just check, like, iterate through it, right, and then just find if there is a file with the same like start? So if it's like a lib game, right,
Yeah.
and then the time doesn't, we don't care about that. We do nothing.
Well, I mean, that's kind of what I was thinking of doing right now.
But the thing is, if we do that, we don't have to have like multiple of them.
Wait. But I still need to have multiple because the name cannot be the same. The name has to be different for this to work.
Yeah. But like I can probably like show it. I'll stream.
Okay.
You looking?
Where? Okay, I'm looking.
Okay, we'll make the
Make door. I like make door.
Lubas.
Lubas.
CD Lubas. Okay, so basically, what happens is we have I don't know, to Zig. Actually, it takes the I'm down. Right. So let's say we have our build, right, which outputs lib game, right? Well, it's technically also like a bunch of numbers for the time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But before it does that, the build clears,
Yeah.
clears Zig out.
Oh, okay.
Slash
Yeah, I
lib.
see. Yeah.
Yeah. And then in the program, right? So the program um, will just like it will iterate, right?
Mm-hmm.
And every iteration, it will like check if it starts with libgame
Mm-hmm.
underscore, right?
Yeah.
And it doesn't care about a number or anything, It can be whatever, right? And
Mm.
then if it finds it, then we load that.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That could. Yeah, that would. Yeah, and then later on, if we want to use the cache for some reason, we could add it back in then, or then we could add it, and because this would
Yeah.
just be so much easier to just. Yeah. Is there a in the wait build there?
There's std mem start with also for the reading later. So yeah. But what do you want to do?
So how can I just? Where should I clear? Can I clear easily?
Just before you do the install artifact,
Yeah.
it's like yeah, exactly. You can just do uh well, we have the IO, right? So we can do
Yeah.
std directory IO.
IO directory. Oh my god, I hate this.
Yeah.
I have to always do this because I don't know why it glitches like that. Still haven't figured it out. IO directory.
And then .cwd.
Dot. Okay.
Yeah. And then we do this. Is it destroy? Delete directory. IO. And then we do the sig out lib also. Yeah. You see, just like that. And bam.
Oh yeah, it will auto generate the lib back in anyways.
Yeah, exactly. After the next line, it does that. It's also a try, possibly. Yeah, try. Yeah.
Okay. Void error access denied. Bad. This one doesn't have a try or like tells they can do the
Yeah, it
error.
doesn't have a try, but you can just add it.
Yeah.
Or you can also use to catch, I guess. Like either you can return errors or you can do catch. It's typically you don't really return errors in build, but
Oh yeah, you
can.
don't. I guess then it's better to keep it like that.
I mean, you can make it return an error if you want to, but typically you don't. So yeah. But you can just do catch and just ignore it, or like catch unreachable or something.
I'm doing this wrong. Isn't it like this? Catch and then unreachable.
Yeah. No, you no curly braces.
Of course not.
Yeah.
Okay, but that's a different one. Let's see, file watcher, because I'm still, but we still have to do the same changes that I'm about to do right now.
Yeah.
So yeah, but then we can just check this thing. We have the directory. And then if it has been updated, yeah, then we'll reload the thing. We don't even have to, well, we do have to get the iterator, but there should, yeah, and then just check that there's the file called.
Yeah, but it's easy to get the name and all that. You just call it it.
It is it.
It is it. And then you do while. Not for.
Yeah. What?
How iterators work is that next can return null, right? And when a while gets a null, it just breaks out of it.
It dies.
Yeah, it's called entry, not file.
What the fuck? It's never good enough with you, is it?
Yeah, no, but it's technically not a file. Right, so...
What is this?
No.
Okay, no.
Yes, just do if entry.kind.
Where's my LSB, huh?
I don't know. You need to do try on next. Yeah, not equal. dot file. Right. So if it's not a file, yeah, continue, and then just if well, no, it's not nine.
But we want to do the string compare start begin with.
Yeah, but it's a function. Just bro, you gotta type efficiently. All right, you can't just be typing the first thing that comes to your mind, bro.
What?
Just do not.
Before this.
Yeah. Stream yeah, starts with U8. Entry name. Do we have the name of the target thing, or like
Yeah.
what we kind of want?
Or actually, yeah. Wait, we do have lib name, which
Lib name. Okay.
which is
Yeah.
the
Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic. That's great. That's crazy. And then you remove the entry name after that also, because start with and that's not. You see? And then just continue. We can also do an or, so it's just one if statement if you want, I guess.
Nah, it's good. It's good.
Okay. Yeah. It's like it makes it more readable. This so. Yeah. And then now now it's going to have found it, right?
Yeah.
And what we can do now is we can do break. And then we also want to do break entry dot name. Right, and then we want to assign the while to a const. Yes, you're learning. Learning.
Const file name. It's just a name, yeah.
Yeah, it's called file name. Equals. Yeah, and now in the semicolon there, and we can also have an we can do else also here. Yeah. So this is if it doesn't find it like at all, what do you want to do then?
Well, then I will just return false. I don't really care at this point.
I don't have just remove the semicolon. Curly braces. Yes. All right. Okay. Yeah, we might also need a block before the while though. Yeah, we can call it just a name like after the equal.
After the equal? Wait, what?
Yeah, after the equal, do name colon. And then we do break colon name down there.
Ah, you mean wait, colon and then break colon name.
Yeah, you gotta specify like which go to or which label.
This is
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm not sure you do need that, but I don't know. Your LSP is also like acting up.
I think
you know what? Just try
don't.
without.
Yeah, I think you
Yeah,
wouldn't need.
I think
because
I
it
think
looks so
don't,
clear, just like this. And there's a while loop right in front of this assignment.
I don't know. It's just your LSP that's acting up, but alright.
Yeah. And then we can just.
And now we have the name.
Yeah. I don't know why I did that. File name. Isn't this already a slice as it is? Or
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
And then this should be fine. We do need the store that didn't live actually, so I can add that back in. And then this thing will complain, but this didn't live will be undefined in here right now. I don't want to start it at the beginning. And
typically when you do that, you should use null, but
null for this thing. But this is an optional. Okay, I should make it an optional.
Yeah, because having undefined just like that, a bit unsafe. You can actually remove that entire line that your thing is on. Yeah, and then go up to the top there with the lib as the field. Just make it optional and assign it to null as the default. Yeah, and then we gotta change some other stuff to like unwrap and shit.
Yeah. But anyways, so let's see here. We can't remove this stuff. if it finds it, then we'll try to open it, and then I think this is redundant, but we're gonna keep it there. And if it
Yeah.
gets it, what happens
I
if you
always see a
call
problem.
what happens if you call close on something that isn't open yet?
Well, then it's gonna crash and burn and kill itself. But yeah, we can check that. It's easy, bro. It's easy. This is fantastic, actually. So first of all, what the hell is going on here
Oh, we need to unwrap
in the
it.
reload? Yeah, but that's not hard. But
in the reload, we first get the directory where we have the basically.
But like, what is happening from var dinlib equal std dinlib blah 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 blah.
Yeah, so here I just tried to open it, and if it can, you know, because I had issues where it couldn't open it even though it was preloaded. So I just return false and try again next loop. Then this thing was... This is weird because I don't know what the problem was. It kind of like opened it, but then it didn't find the symbol. So it tried. So the AI suggested I should do this to check that can I actually find the symbol, and when I can.
Nah, that's dumb.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
But no,
Okay.
I'm gonna keep it there until we actually get it to run, and then I can test it, remove it again.
Bro.
Because it was,
Okay.
yeah, it fixed it. I was like, okay, great. I don't know why, but it fixed it. It's weird because you shouldn't need it, but.
Right. Anyways, before the var dinlib thing at the top there, you want to do a little thingy. So you do if, and then a self dinlib, and then we do a capture, and then just dinlib. Yeah, and then we can do dinlib.close. Close does is close. It doesn't require mutability, right?
But this should be. I don't want to close this one until I know that I can load the new one. Because if I try to load this one and then it fails, then I will not be able to use the old one anymore.
Oh, that's why you're doing it like this. Okay. Yeah, but that can just be down there then.
Should I also call it old dinlib because this one is called dinlib over here, or should I rename this one to new?
Nah, just call it new dinlib, the one in here. Yeah. Right, and then we can remove the self dinlib.close is that bad one. Yes. And then for the lookup also we probably want to change a thing because it's we just want to unwrap it. Yeah. Lookup.
You mean this thing?
No, the other one, the function that we made, that's inline for some reason.
This one?
Yeah, you got to do self dinlib dot curly brace, not curly, unwrap it.
Unwrap, yeah. There.
Yes, fantastic.
Okay. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. They're not empty. Unreachable. That's when we tried to delete it.
We might, it might want like, Right, it tries to delete a directory while it's not empty. Is there like a function like delete directory and children or something?
Right. Let's see. We'll do this. Delete. What do we have? Delete file. Delete 3. Whatever subpath directory or symlink files are directed, this function removes it. You remove because it's non-empty directory. This function recursive removes its entries and it tries again. Is it this one then? Removes its entries.
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. Perfect.
And yeah.
Nah, bro, don't even type it in. Just like move that shit up. Yes. Exactly.
Let's see. Yeah, now this is fine. So let's see, it went through... Check doesn't exist anymore, that's why. So in here, I'm just gonna do this instead now. And there's an error somewhere. Load. Right, but this didn't won't be okay.
Yeah, but just do dot curly brace, bro.
Curly brace?
Yeah, I can't speak. Dot question mark.
Yeah, but the thing is that it will be a null right now, you know? So it goes in here and
Okay.
what do we do
Yeah,
here?
I mean just remove the loading there in that part.
Yeah, I'm
You know?
wondering. System table, is that? Yikes, I didn't because I should do this thing first, then kind of like do a reload in the beginning and then load all of these things.
Why do we not have a load function that for the watcher?
Load function for the watcher. We have the system table.
Yeah, but like why don't we have a load for the watcher?
What do you mean load for the watcher?
Yeah, the watcher, the file watcher. Like why is there not a load function in here?
I'm a bit confused. What do you mean by that?
Yeah, why don't we have a load function?
What do you want the load to do? Or just instead of reload, just load?
Well, nah, I think it's like let's say we made another function called load as well, right? And the reload is called stat function, and also, you know, that's some stuff.
Isn't that literally just doing the same stuff?
But we don't return a bool, but we want to return.
Oh my god, this is so bullshit.
I think we can just return void.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, because if it fails, then we don't really care anymore.
Yeah. You can basically move in like the directory stat and all that, like path loading and the test symbol, like.
I think this
everything
thing shouldn't. I think it's pretty much just this, right?
Oh yeah, true. Yeah, not the first thing there. Yeah, just that, and we'll ignore that for now. We'll fix this later, okay? And not we don't want the closing though in the load, but sure.
We don't want the closing.
Yeah, at the bottom. Yeah, put that into the reload.
But how do we time it correctly?
Trust, bro, trust.
No, because wait, if you put it in the, because now, where do you call it? Do you call it after load or before load? You cannot call it after because then you destroy this thing. You cannot call it before because then you will destroy.
No, I mean just like if din lib close whatever. Just move that into the reload, okay?
But they cannot do that because we have to call it precisely in between these two stages.
No. I know what you're gonna think, but no. Just do this, okay? Just trust me, bro. Just trust me. Right? And then we want. You can actually just instead of doing the var new din lib inside of the load, we can just do self din lib equal blah blah blah. And we can actually remove the std din lib also and just have dot open. Yeah, exactly. Alright, fantastic. And then also for the test lookup thingy, right? The test symbol, yes.
Yeah.
No, like, yeah, you know.
Wait, what?
You don't need the LSP to type this, bro.
Yeah, but I wonder why it's not just showing it up.
Because Zig LSP, bro. Just type it in, okay? Yeah. I guess. Also, we don't want to return like false and shit. We actually want to return errors here.
No, because this is if it fails to load or fails to find a symbol, I want to continue rendering.
In the reload, we'll use to catch.
Well, that will look
and then return false. Bro, no, bro.
Here.
Trust me, okay? Yeah, no, bro. I know. Just go into the. Just make the load function return error void.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yes, and then instead of returning false in these places in the load function, just return errors. You know?
So void error.
No. The reload can still return a boon.
Ah, okay. And these
Yeah,
things
so that's fine.
becomes
Yeah, the
errors.
false is to have like error file not found, I guess. And then the next one is just we can just return error here. Just error, yes.
Oh, that thing.
Error, yeah. I mean, why not, right? And
Yeah.
then here we can just do like error test symbol lookup.
Ah. Okay.
Lookup is one word, I believe, in
It
this
is.
case, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, great. And now in the reload, we want to store the old dinlib. Okay. So now do here const old dinlib. Yes, and that's equal to self dinlib. Exactly. Great. Well, actually, yeah, we can do this for now. Is the what, bro? Is to self load, not reload.
My bad. I wanted to do an infinite loop, bro.
Yeah, I know. And we can just do catch on the load here and return false.
Catch, return, false.
Yeah, exactly. Well, technically, also in the catch, actually make the catch be a block because, yes.
Wait, how did you make a block out of? Wait, you mean catch here? And then just
Yeah,
BLK, was
just a
it like
block.
that?
No, like a block, like curly braces.
Ah, curly braces.
Yeah, that's a block. After the semicolon, bro.
What?
Yeah, put the semicolon after. No. Put the semicolon after the false,
Ah, yeah.
not the curly braces, bro. The curly braces do not need that.
Well, it
What?
seems like it
Okay,
wants it.
no. They do okay. I'm done. We also want to do now self dinlib equal old dinlib, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, but maybe in the test symbol lookup we also don't want to close the dinlib, right?
Okay, but no, because we need to close. If we succeed to open the new one, we want to close the new one.
Well, okay, but we can just move the test symbol then into the reload instead.
Isn't this fine? Wait, because if you store the old one here, right? And then you
Uh-huh.
go into load, and then now you open the new one. You call close. You close this one, and then you just assigned the old one that you stored here. It should be fine to do this.
Okay, I guess, yeah. Okay. But are we closing the old one? We're not. We gotta make so after the load here. No, we are not. No. Instead of you said the if self dinlib close, right? Yeah. The after the load, I mean.
After the load, wait here. Yeah, this thing.
Yeah, just press in old dinlib instead of self dinlib.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Also, above there it says enum literalis because Sig doesn't really like doing that with catch also, so I guess we do have to have std dinlib, yes. Sucks, but
STD, wait, where was it? IO?
dinlib.
Is it just bin?
Yeah. Though your LSP doesn't want to, but
I don't think
it is there.
You sure about that?
You can scroll up and look.
Huh. Ast capital
Yeah.
L.
Yeah.
Al. Okay. And we don't have a file watcher anymore. That we can still use. But we have to do
We gotta
that.
do if. Yeah, the unwrapping. Well, I would do an if, bro.
Okie dokie. If self dynlib, and then what? Dynlib. Am I doing this wrong?
No. Well, yes. Actually, put a pointer before the capture. Yes.
I don't need the IO.
Okay. Don't we need that? Okay, fantastic.
Why do we need to destroy? Do we need to destroy these things?
No, they're not anything we need to destroy.
Okay, hold on.
Well, actually, we might actually do. No, I'm done.
Okay, for
Yeah,
now,
do-
I will just do this thing. We'll get back to it.
No.
Shut up.
Do
We
do self directory close, bro. Self directory close.
Here. Close. Ah, there goes the IO. IO. Ah. Like so. And then
Unwrap.
Right. And same for this thing.
You know that this test symbol thing could be done better, alright?
We'll see if we even need it. That's the thing. Let's
Nah,
not...
bro, but this is good for you for learning the Sig language, alright?
Brother. Okay.
No, bro, trust me, bro. Just do instead of doing const test symbol, do just underscore, okay? And then we do or else instead at the end of lookup, right? Yeah, remove all that and remove the if and yeah, exactly, and then or else here. Yes, you see, bro, you see the and then as a semicolon, yes, semicolon after the block, because it's like a singular expression sort of.
I'm confused. How does this now work? Because if it succeeds, then I want to open this thing. Now, isn't it if it fails that it will try to do this?
Bro, listen to what you're saying.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Now,
No.
what am I doing here? Oh, sorry.
It has to be mutable.
Mutable, yeah. Sorry, it was just a force of habit. No.
Pointer, bro, on the dynlib capture because captures by default.
Ah, that's
constant.
that one, not the. Wait, this one is still okay. And then return true, and then. Well, for now, just we can still do this. I will just make it different. That, and then we can say self dot big name.
Nah, he's not even using SD log.
No, I'm not.
But you are. But why
No.
are you doing new lines?
No, I'm not using STD log.
What's up?
Wait.
You are though.
What's
I
up?
am.
What's
What's
up?
up, T-shirt?
But you're still doing new lines.
That's not me. That's somebody else.
AI.
No, that's
Yeah.
not AI even. That actually is somebody else.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Great.
Then we can go
Also,
back to
this
main.
thing- No, it's not gonna work, bro, because the debug thing it takes in, it wants more shit than it has.
Right.
Yeah, just remove the len, bro. The len.
Yeah, we don't need the LAN. Fuck the LAN. And the new line can
We
also go.
don't.
Oh my god.
Perfect.
This is some incredible printing. Reloaded dynlib, colon, comma, half, all screaming, s, and a backslash n
Okay.
on a function that already adds a
Okay,
backslash n.
okay, there. Now you're happy.
Bro, but debug still adds, bro. You're just gonna have an empty line now
Yeah, that's
on
fine.
every
No
single.
way. Bro's wasting terminal space, bro.
Yeah, bro, that's like extra computation, bro. Your program is running way slower now.
Okay, wait, so we initialize the watcher and then we load. Should I say watcher dot just load?
Yeah, you gotta watch out with this one, bro.
Yeah.
Watch out it out.
Try, bro.
And
Try.
I'm gonna
A
try.
little bit harder.
I'm trying. And what's happening over here? Right, now we need to... What?
Unwrap. Unwrap.
Yeah.
Unwrap.
Can you...
Unwrap.
I hate my fingers.
Unwrap.
I'm pressing the wrong button all the time.
Unwrap. Unwrap. I think it helps that I'm saying unwrap also.
Yeah, you're rapping.
Unwrap. Yeah, I'm rapping.
Let's see, no field. Ah, that's the server.
The server is so like no one has done anything except remove shit that has become deprecated. The server is so sad.
Let's see. Failed to open library. Error file not found. Right. Wait. What? Oh yeah, because we actually have to provide the full path and not just the. No, wait. It should have opened it. Did it even compile and find?
We can print out some stuff, bro.
Yeah. Wait. Let me just check that it actually. Yeah. So there should be a. Wait. Why is there a lib system IO? They should have cleared this now, but I don't know. Okay. That's the one thing at a time. Let's print out what it actually finds, right?
I think the issue is that are you doing install artifact 2 times on the lib system? I think that's the case. Go into the build.sig because we're doing it here. Install artifact. Look at all the places we're doing install artifact. Scroll up also, just to find it.
What?
exe. Wait. Yeah, remove the system there.
This one is for clients.
Yeah.
And then we have the... Wait, this is for the server.
Also doing install system. Yeah, bro. I told you, having many build scripts would have been better, but alright.
Yeah. So wait, I just... Oh, shit. Yeah, oh no. Should this just be done... Wait, can I... Yeah, wait, why are they happening in... Why do we have system in both? Why not just pass it in as a parameter from here and just make system in here? Because both of them use the same... No, wait, they don't use the same system. They have separate system.
But just remove the server. Just comment out the server. We don't need the server.
But then we'll want to replace... Do we want to replace... We want this at least in here.
Wait. Yeah, you're doing... Okay, I don't know what you're doing, bro.
Don't worry about it. Do we... Alright, I have to get the IO and the time. And then we'll change it to be like that, right? Good. And then the name will become the... Was it plus plus? No, wait, it's the... STD... Was it format?
It's a B format.
B format?
B is B. No, not STD, B is B.
Build FMT. I knew that.
Yeah. Totally.
And then we pass in system, then the string, which will be an integer, which will then be the time, like so. And we will not build server like that. Is that fine? Is that good enough? I think.
Yeah.
I think it will be. Okay. Let's see, what does it say in here? Ah! Okay, so at least it's just one there. Good. And file not found. Let's go. Now we can go back to...
Oh, I know why.
Why you know why?
because the lib name, the self lib name, no, the lib name variable in the
Yeah.
program. You're looking at all the wrong places. The self lib name. What is that?
It's this thing.
Lib plus library name.
That's what. Let's see if I just std log. What is it? Debug. Lib name s comma that lib name. I fucked up. Let's see. Lib name is lib system. Well then,
Okay, great. Can we print out the? Can you move
Names?
this std debug thing just down
what's
2
the
lines?
Why not just put it here for each? Yeah.
Yeah, sure, but we don't need to know information we already have, bro.
I want to go for each of the entry names.
Yeah, but why even keep the lib name there? Don't like the lib name debug print, bro.
No worries.
We already know.
No, we
Oh
don't.
my god, bro. This is why your console is just full of garbage.
How dare you? File not
It's
found.
true.
Okay, so something is. It does. Wait. Return true if haystack starts with needle. So then you should go in here and return break with entry name. But somehow it gets to this thing. Unless if there's something else that's file not found. Wait, does it get... Is it actually maybe... Because it says retry this, which is just an old print, which is from here.
Oh, wait, it's from open set. Well, wait. Bro. If you look at the stack trace, you see open set.
Yeah, but I wonder where is 106. Yeah, so here. But open set, so that's... Wait, so I have to make this into a set string? Or like null terminated?
No, I don't think so.
Because it should take in a slice, right? So it should be fine. Ah, because
Yeah.
here... No. But that's weird. Isn't it? If it's a set, it should be a C path. But I don't have. I don't know. I don't think that is.
Well, it calls the inner one. If you go to open again. Yeah, see now if you go to inner type, which in this case is the bottom one, I believe. The DL dynlib goes into that. DL dynlib. It's in the
DL?
inner type, bro.
DL didn't live.
Yeah,
Inner
it's
type.
after the else.
Ah, that one.
Yeah, now you see open set. How does the 2 POSIX path work? Yeah. Okay, great. Alright.
Wait, but it is because it's it fails to open it, so it's fine. Yeah. It's just that it's too fast for it. It's not completely compiled yet. Yeah. I think. And it would make sense.
Megasleep.
But no, because it shouldn't.
Dollar
The build should be completed before the run, right? It should. If I do. Can I just do a run without the build? Can I just click run client? No. Because even if I. Because the build should complete this thing before it. Because it could make sense. Let's see. Because it is there, right?
I'm going to the build script. Go to where the run step is being declared. Yeah, it does, but it depends on the get install step. So it won't run it unless everything is installed, like all the artifacts.
Yeah. Okay. What if my brain is not braining right now? Let's see. Fail to open live file not found, but that's so weird because it's so weird. Hello?
Hello, hello.
Yo, what's
Yo.
up?
Yo, what's up?
I saw that Fred was in VIP all alone, so I thought he might have misclicked.
Yeah.
No, I had to wait to let my headphones connect.
Oh, okay, well I'll move you back then.
No.
Mm.
But when in someday, in maybe 1,000 years or a million years, I
Man,
get
that's
the
crazy.
soft bodies multiplayer working, I will do a handstand with 10 push-ups and into a backflip, alright?
Okay, sounds good.
Alright.
Yeah, because wait, it goes into the main here, and the main should actually have like the when you first run through. Actually, it's the main. My bad.
You're fixing the dynamic library right now?
Yeah.
But what's broken?
No, it's just
Caching.
it because before, well, yeah, that too. But before it wasn't broken. It was just that when a reload happened, it would get block the thread, you know, the main process, and just wait until the library was actually fully loadable. And now I want to get rid of that, and also I want to get rid of when I accidentally save something, their path.
Whoa, Lucas, look, that's what you wanted to remove, bro. We can just put this in a concurrent thread.
No, because the thing was still that you would still have to close the library if you didn't want to do this, so you still get the same issue where you have to still create with this ID stuff. Otherwise, if you try to open the library and it's in the cache, then you will immediately think that it's available, and that's a problem. Found the issue. The problem is that entry name is just the file name, not the full path. When you call std open file with just file name, it does not. But okay, but can we not just use the directory? We don't have to store the directory path, right? That's true, actually.
Yeah.
So, but we have access to the Can I
The
can I generate the
No, you can't.
even though I have the dir, I cannot get the path that it actually is.
No, you can't.
So we actually have to do this.
But
Well,
you
that's-
always know it's gonna be Sig out, bro. Sig out, lib.
Oh
Always.
yeah. Well, I guess that's true. Can I just do? How should I do this? Well, I guess. Can I just do here? Is this something legal you could do? Oh my god. Actually, it broke. No fucking way, my damn shit broke. We're kidding. I don't wanna type. Sometimes I hate my NeoVim really much. www and then plus plus. Is that legal? That's not a result comp time value. Right, cannot know during so I would actually have to do no, don't tell me I have to get in and well I could use STD max len, right? Max path len and store it in a buffer.
Yeah, but that's like 4,000. That's like 4 kilobytes, bro.
Yeah, but how else should I do this? Because I cannot know during runtime or like compile time. I mean, I cannot know this. I can only during runtime get this value.
Well, you can do some approximation. Like we know that the dinlib len, right? Or like our lib. Well, that's the runtime actually now. But we could make it compile time.
I guess we could, or let's just see what does this one come up with. But I think max len could work. Let's see. Well, now it's storing the thing that I'm like, well, whatever. It's fine. Look, there it does
All
it.
this because bro does not want to pass an allocator.
Yeah, no, I hate allocators. Fuck that. File name. So, full path, dir path plus file path. So now it's fine to do that. But max path bytes undefined, full path tries buffer. Yeah, and then open the thing. Easy. Look at that. It's gonna be horrendous. And just there it is. My bad. Okay. Let's see. There it goes. Oh, it's reloading every frame. But look how fast it is. I don't think it's that fast. How many FPS do we actually have? I have to run through render docs to figure these things out, actually. I still don't have a... Look, we have a whopping 3 frames and do 4. 4. Nah, that's crazy.
But bro, why don't you put it on a separate like thread?
Yeah, now we could do it. But the old version...
Yeah, you... But like with IO concurrent, bro, just do IO.concurrent, alright?
Yeah, it could actually work with this version. It could work because now we'll always guarantee a new file name.
But just be sure of what is it called? Yeah, like you should load the table, right? And as like a separate thing, and then assign it so you don't like load one function and then it's gonna call like an old like update or like a
Look,
system old
like,
system.
You would have to somehow synchronize it, I think, in whenever like kind of like multi-threading stuff. Like if you do, like you can still when you still do the searching and you know like just searching the thing and still opening the thing, it's fine. But then when you get to loading the stuff, then you would actually have to do a separate what's it called? Then you would have to block it quickly, just do the swapping of the functions, right?
Lucas.
Tell
You're
me,
the
tell me.
networking pro, right?
Of course I'm not. But yeah, tell me, what's the issue?
But like, you read a lot about how they do it in games.
Yeah, I have read about it.
Like, and what I'm doing now, I want to have the soft bodies as players, right?
Yeah.
And I'm thinking, so I should move the soft body for simulation to the server, right? That's the first step. So the server actually simulates the soft bodies.
Then you would have to send every single point to the
yeah,
clients.
that's exactly what I mean. So, like, another approach would be, right, to actually do both and then compare them, kind of, right? But that also would be, like, cooked, but, like, everything is cooked.
I think visually it would be fine to do. I think the only thing that you should do is the collision detection should be authoritative, the server, right? But then visually, I think you have room for error, right? Because it doesn't really matter if it's like soft body, you know. It's if you imagine, for example, here, you know, if you have a hitbox, the capsule, you know, in a player.
I think your stream froze or something.
My stream froze.
Or maybe you're just not streaming. I think you're.
Or you're bad.
No, I'm not moving anything. I'm just talking actually. So, but I mean, like.
But you said you have the
How
thing
dare
here.
you?
You said you have a thing here.
No, I said here, here. You know.
He said like here, you know,
No,
like the guy,
No,
the guy, you know.
You know when if for example you have a player character.
Yeah.
And then the capsule is the actual like physical thing that needs to be precise. Yeah. But then you can have hair, not here, but here, you know.
Hair.
Fuck, you know.
Hair.
Wait, so actually hair or what?
Yeah.
Hair.
Hair.
The rabbit.
The thing that you got on your head that grows out.
What? I don't have that. I'm bald.
But why? Like, it doesn't even. What do you mean with that, bro?
So you would have the authoritative server, right? I hope that's what you're going for. And then, well, actually, I don't think you have that complicated. You could actually do every single point, but which would be kind of like, do you have an approximation of the like collision or the hitbox? Like the soft bodies cannot drift too far apart, right? Or
What do you mean?
so for
bro. You know the hair.
Kill me. But okay, wait. I'm thinking if for example, you should be fine. Also, I'm thinking they usually when they speak about the RTS games, right? These massive, you have like thousands of units every single player. What they did there was they had peer-to-peer networking, which was basically that everybody did the simulation on their side. And then well, of course, you would have to have some mechanism to determine which one is actually accurate. Normally, there was one player who would be kind of like host, and that person would be the one that would refer to as if there were conflicts. That one would be the one having basically authoritative. But that means that everybody.
What I realize, like physics simulation is bad, but physics simulation and networking is very bad.
But I think still like what you're trying to do, because you still have less than 1,000 things to keep track of, right?
Yeah.
I think you could just do for every point, you could still track it, and as a server, and then clients would just replicate it.
Yeah, I'm also thinking it's the thing is it's so hard, you know, because like I shouldn't make a complicated system now, right? Just for that. Like, but also in the end, if it's like jitters too much or so, like I need to change it, so I'm not sure. I'm really not sure.
How important is it that it's real time?
Very.
Yeah,
like because but
EA, it's in the game.
Can it just not be slightly delayed? Like it's just cool physics,
you mean
right?
like that?
Yeah.
Like,
so then you wouldn't even have to simulate it on the client. You would do everything on the server. The client would be fine with slight delay on that.
But I'm just thinking, you know, like if you don't simulate on the client, Like the networking packets won't be fast enough so that you get like a smooth 60 FPS image. Like you won't, you know. It's just.
It depends. Like if you should.
Depends.
Like if you use
But-
TCP, yeah, no. But if you use UDP, you should be fine.
It depends.
But it's like okay, if that's the only thing you want to do, but like if we were then grow the game out and suddenly we have like 4 players and then we have more soft bodies, like you know, it's
6,
like
7?
I mean,
it doesn't play well.
I think isn't it better for you just to do something right now rather than trying to find the best approach because you don't know really what's the best move.
Okay, so you mean I just send the entire soft body?
Bro,
Yeah.
you just if you think you're doing something inefficiently, you just think about web dev, okay? And then suddenly it's very efficient.
Suddenly you're doing great.
Yeah. But you know, I did exactly that when I did voice chat. But then it was like so bad because it was in super high latency because like I said, I don't worry about compression now. You know, that's what I will do later. And then it was so cooked that it was cooked. Yeah.
Really? So you're saying it was cooked?
Hmm.
Nah, but bro, you send like have it be on the client and server, but the server is the authority, right? And then you have a sync thing.
Yeah, but it's also so complicated. Like,
Yeah. Good software is complicated. Sadly.
yeah, because how you do it, you would need the server simulates it, the client simulates it. The server sends every soft body to the client, and then the one you actually compare, and then you compare every soft body point to the soft body points that you have, and then if they are different, you need to linear interpolate it to make it smooth, and it's all cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
You know, I would need a cheesecake here, but he said, "Oh yeah, I will work on sausage when you finish soft bodies."
Oh, never.
But is it real or what is it called? The clock.
Yeah.
Okay, I will just send the whole soft body, bro. Fuck it.
Yeah, exactly. Let's see, it loaded, looking up context. Yeah, now it did it once.
Oh,
Now I need to figure out its
everything
crashes.
cooked. Whole life is cooked, bro.
Well, that's not good. Let's see. It goes into here. But then it doesn't it doesn't apparently find anything. How is that possible? There's 2 of them.
Just the 2 of them.
Yeah, but how does it goes in here and it says that there's none of them. It says this. It's just spamming me this right now. And then it goes in here and then it's because none of them are apparently filed. Maybe that's why. Yeah, I will not be able to reload that, so I will have to do this.
That's a nice ball you have, Lucas.
Thank
Very
you.
round and big and black. What?
What?
What? Did someone say something?
Not really. Yeah, I don't understand. This is bullshit. There's literally 2 files right now there. Maybe 3 now. Now there's 1. But when it goes in here and it tells me that I didn't say. You're joking. You're freaking please. Why would you do this to me? Okay, now. Let's try again.
Okay, let's try.
No, still. I don't understand because if it gets in how? How did it move back down there? I'm rage baiting myself right now. No, I cannot. I wanna go to sleep. I don't wanna anymore. It's bullshit.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Okay, now it has to be okay. Yes, okay. So file name it says that it's about to find this thing. Then it goes through here. It has the iterator, right? And then it says that there's nothing. It doesn't print even once. Unless if I use this same... Nah, I don't. And then if we go in here to check the lib, there should be 2 right now of them. But somehow, this thing says there's 0 of them. Oh, is it because the old directory is still... Because it removes the old directory.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. Wait, can't we just remove the things when we're iterating to try to find it?
What?
You know, when we try to find the correct name, yeah?
Yeah.
Can't we just destroy the entry if we don't find it?
What do you mean?
Like when we iterate in the program, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can't we just, you know, destroy the entries?
Yeah, we could do that.
Yeah.
But no, we cannot.
Like,
No, we cannot, because we need it to open it still.
yeah, but like destroy things if it's not the correct thing we wanted, we just destroy
But
it.
everything starts with the same thing.
I
so...
don't know. Just load the new directory, bro.
Oh man. So we cannot do this, but luckily we have the directory path, right?
Bro, what's the... Yeah, we have the directory path, but it's always the same path anyways.
Yeah, but why would I? What's the point of storing if I have to load it every time either way?
I don't know, bro. You don't.
It's so sad. Okay, anyways, so we'll go in here and then it's I hope it's just the load that needs it, right? Okay, so we'll do this and then self.lib. Fuck. Well, I guess we can just take this full path because we'll have to use it either way over here, so we can take it up here. And then full path. Like so, and then this will become just dir iterator. And why is it problematic? File name. Right. I was thinking I could be smart here, but no, but directory path is just no, I'm done. We'll just hardcode it now. Fuck it.
I saw a guy shotgun into a shield and he lost like 2 health, bro. Bro has so much shit. Damn.
Well, I could just. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I'm a bit tripping right now. That should be fine, and then we should be able to do. Okay. Oh my god, I have to do it twice. Okay, well, we will let it be on performance for now. And yes. Let's run with that for a quick and see what happens. Okay, and then if I go to Vulkan and we change it to this, then it crashes because let's see, it went in here, memory address leaked. Right, because I didn't free the damn thing. Do. Okay, let's see. It went into here, it got the thing. Reload, lib, path, system table updated, seg faulted. Let's see, it goes in here, system d init. And it should have gone in here, looking up symbol. What? Yeah, it went in there and I tried to reload using system context, which should be fine. Because this has not been changed, it should be able to do all of those things. Unless... Okay, let's do a leak and see what happens. So I will not do that. See, interesting. I don't understand how it crashes here when it tries the system context in it. System context in it there. 60. No, wait, what? Or is it leaking from 39? Here. Well, that one shouldn't have any leaks. $128, 121. Here. Oh wait, what? Is it just not finding the file path that I'm trying to get? Is that the problem? I'm so confused what I'm actually trying to look for right now. Path. No, the path is valid. But there's something is being leaked. I don't know what it is. Okay, I will go do this.
It's your email address that's getting leaked.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Everyone go mail Lucas. It's not Gmail, alright? Also, his name is
Can
Dota2,
I-
by the way.
Can I disable debug allocator to just let it leak if it leaks, so it doesn't crash on a leak?
You can, but that's gay.
Yeah, but just to see that, I just want to narrow down the issue. I want to make sure that's...
No, it's fixed the issue, bro.
Oh, bro, how do I disable it?
You use another allocator.
So I cannot disable this thing. C allocator?
B allocator?
Or
No
page-
way. Ghost
page
allocator? Oh.
Is that...
Ah, bro, I got a quadruple kill.
No way, bro. What?
Bro, I don't even know what happened, bro. They had shotguns, bro. Everyone was targeted me. I killed them all, bro. They're all my ops, bro. I got them all.
Destroyed the whole lobby with one shot.
Yeah, but like, yeah, it's not one shot though. It was just like in a row, kinda.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah.
Yeah, because this game works like that. But, bro, I killed a guy, right? And the other guy got like super pissed at me, right? So he went in with a shotgun, missed like bro, he gave me a haircut. Bro, I don't need to go to the barber for like 10 years now. Damn.
How do I use the page? Is it the page allocator that's the default one?
Yeah.
Page allocator.
Well, I mean, it's technically general purpose allocator, but yeah.
Yeah. Still tells me that memory was leaked, even if I use general purpose allocator.
Just put the safety to off.
Safety loss.
Yeah, I mean, you can also just use the page allocator, I guess.
Okay, now it's better because now I can actually, then I know that it's reloaded dynamically, full path. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's not what I want. But that's just a print. But yeah, that's because full path is incorrect. And that's because we have this thing, which comes from this thing, which gets assigned from found path, which includes the backslash. So I got two options, but I think I will choose this one. Okay. So file not found. Line 122. Watcher. So here it doesn't find a path because their path. And it prints out, we print out the path before. So it doesn't find the path. Okay. We'll catch it then instead. Catch. Return false. Will not do a reload. Okay. File name. Libsystem SO. Full path. SO reloaded libsystem update. And then it's segfaulted when it's system table update. So then it's here, system table update. Well, it should be able to call deinit if it can, because if it can call deinit, if it can't call deinit, then it shouldn't be able to initialize anything either. Oh wait, I might know. Let's see. But that would be dumb if it was the case. I hope it's not the case. Let's see. Oh, it's looking like it is the case. Okay. Well, it's okay. We'll do this. No, still. Let's see. Table update. Deinit address. Meta has empty block free. What the fuck? Right, that's why I cannot do it in there. Is it if you... Okay, we'll do another one. Prove it. Let's see. We'll do that, and we'll go to here. And then we'll do this. Actually, don't even have to do that, but whatever. Let's see. This might... Okay. Whoa, yeah, that works. Okay, so if... Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. And now it's we're leaking a lot though, but it does 2 reloads again, which is funny. But wait, it doesn't even reload. Oh yeah, because... Why? That should now use the new version. But yeah, I should have a bigger frame buffer period or something.
You should have a bigger frame buffer period.
Yeah, no, I'm too tired. Bigger...
Rosa period.
Yeah, I have a period, guys.
Yeah.
You should have a bigger frame, where time frame it's called, or buffer. But yeah, that's why it went weird. Where I don't do a hot reload, just to make sure it doesn't accidentally trigger twice for the same compilation period.
Triggered period.
Oh my god!
Alright, bro.
Shut up!
Yeah, for a bigger trigger period.
Shut up!
Alright, bro. Bro, so cool saying period.
Yeah, but the problem is that in here, because I closed the old dynamic library, but then I still need to use the old dynamic library when I do the deinitialization, right?
Period.
So I cannot close it yet. I need to close it afterwards. I'm done with the deinitialization, because otherwise I cannot use the new function pointer for deinitialization, because then I will use an uninitialized
period.
Yeah, period, exactly. Which is weird. I feel like it should still use just this different pointers. It should still pass in the same structure into the function, right? So it should still be fine. But it's not. And I don't... actually, yeah, but I should still use the... Should still have access to the old one, but this is getting a little bit weird. I need a better way to think this through, because what I need to do is here reload. I should not yet close the old library. What I should do now is
Period.
here when I should have a call a D in it, and now I should close the old library. You see? Yeah, there's a lot of works
Period.
that has to be done in here. It's okay, it's getting towards a better situation because I really want to get rid of this old thing. It's fine. You're getting there. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna go sleep. I have leg day tomorrow morning, so
That's what she said.
yeah. New video coming up real soon. Trust me, bro.
Yeah, in like 10 years. It's gonna be like why I switched to Helix.
Shut up, it's not. Alright. Good night, everybody.
Why I switched from Helix to Notepad++? Why I
Oh,
switched
yeah.
from Notepad++ to Nano?
Why I
I
switched from
switched from
Linux to Windows.
Bye bye, good night it is.
Why I switched from Screen Draw to Paint?
Good night, everybody.
Guys, you should come play this game with me. I won't touch you.
I'm programming this.
I'm programming your brain.